Good morning, welcome back to practice. I'm out here in the park, ready to move my body and wake up. Let's begin in a seated posture, rooting your sitting bones into the ground and sitting up nice and tall, relaxing through your shoulders. Let's begin with some breath to movement connections. Place your hands on your knees. Inhale, open the chest and look up. Exhale, round the spine, look towards your tummy. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Connect your breath with your movements. Last one, open and close. From here, take a big circle towards the right and then the left. All the way around, opening your elbows out wide. Inhale to circle forward. Exhale to circle back. And switch directions. Open up to the left, to the right, and close. 2 more times just like this. Beautiful. Come back through center, sitting up nice and tall. Take your left hand to your side and right arm up and over for a side body stretch. Other side, right hand down, left arm up and over. Inhale back through center. Exhale to the left. Inhale back through center, exhale to the right. Inhale back through center and come onto all fours on your hands and knees. Hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Inhale, drop the belly, open. Exhale, round the spine, look down. Inhale for cow. Exhale for cat. One more time, really pull that chest forward. Grip through your fingers. Exhale, close. From here, tuck your toes under and sit back, stretching the soles of your feet. Sway your hips side to side to balance the weight out equally. Then, turn your fingers in towards your knees to press your palms down, stretching your wrists and your forearms. Take a couple breaths here, really pressing each and every toe, each and every finger into the ground. One more breath in. And exhale, release your hands forward, back to tabletop. Inhale, reach your right arm up to the sky, look up. Exhale, thread your right arm underneath your left. Go as low as you can. Then inhale, push up, reach your right arm back up to the sky. Exhale, thread under. One more time. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, thread under. Gently place your right shoulder and head onto the middle of your mat and either extend your left arm forward, up to the sky, or behind your back. Deep breaths. On your next breath, release your left hand underneath your shoulder. Inhale, reach your right arm back up to the sky. Exhale, release it down. Other side, inhale, reach your left arm up. Exhale, thread underneath your right. Inhale, up. Exhale, thread under. And last time, inhale, up. Really open through your chest. Exhale, thread under and gently place your shoulder and head on the middle of your mat. Take the same arm variation you did earlier, whether extended forward, up to the sky, or behind your back. Take deep breaths. And slowly release your right hand underneath your right shoulder. Inhale to open your left arm back up. Exhale, release. From here, curl your toes under. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, lift your hips up and back for a downward facing dog. Begin to walk out your legs, pedaling out the heels one at a time. Feel the stretch in your calves, your hamstrings, all throughout your spine as you really push the earth away with your hands. On your next inhale, lift your heels up high. Exhale, press your heels down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, press down. One more time, inhale up. Exhale, press your heels down. Then inhale, look up between your hands. Exhale as you walk to the top of your mat. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, fold over your legs. Really press your feet into the ground as you slowly roll up to standing mountain pose. Beautiful. From here, make sure to spread your toes wide. And inhale, circle your arms up and look up. Exhale, circle down and look down. Take a deep breath and circle up. Deep breath out, circle down. This time, inhale, reach up. Exhale, reach forward and come all the way down, folding over your legs. Inhale, look up halfway. Exhale, sink your hips low and reach your arms forward, chair pose. Take 2 breaths here. Engage through your core, lifting through your navel. Then inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, circle your arms all the way around to interlace your fingers behind your back. Really squeeze the shoulder blades behind, stretch your arms back. One more deep breath in, and exhale, dive forward, reaching your arms up and over your head. Keep a micro bend through your knees and feel a nice stretch throughout your shoulders. One more deep breath in. Exhale, release your arms. Inhale, look up halfway. Exhale, plant your hands and step your feet back into plank position. 3 breaths here. Really listen to the sound of your breaths going in and out. Carefully lower your knees down, release your feet, and bend your elbows into your waist. Hold and take a deep breath in. Exhale, lower all the way down. Inhale, press your chest up for Cobra pose. Really squeeze the shoulder blades behind you, open through your heart. Exhale, lower down. Then bring your arms by your side. Extend your legs and arms up. Really squeeze the muscles all throughout your back, glutes, and hamstrings. One more breath. Can you reach a little higher? And exhale, release. Amazing job. Place your hands underneath your shoulders and shift up and back for a child's pose. Take a moment here to catch up on your breath, wiggling out your hips, rocking your head side to side. Then slowly inhale to come back to tabletop. Exhale to press your hips up and back for downward facing dog. Inhale, reach your right leg up and back. Exhale, bend your knee into your nose and step your foot between your hands. Release your back foot down and slowly press your hands onto your right thigh to lift yourself up in a low lunge. Deep breath in and exhale. Release your hands down. Curl the back toes under, lift the knee. Align your front knee to your ankle. Then inhale to swing your arms up and over for high lunge. Really spread the toes wide, shine your chest towards the sky, and relax through your shoulders. Take one more breath in, and exhale, reach forward and down. Plant your left hand and peel your right arm towards the sky, dragonfly twist. Take a deep breath in, and exhale, circle your right arm down and over. Drop the back heel, open your right knee out, and reach your right arm towards the back. Keeping a nice grip throughout your left hand, inhale to reach your right arm up and back forward, coming into a low runner's lunge. Gently release your back knee, walk your hands back as you straighten the front leg. Option to stay here in your half split, or bend the front knee and extend back and forth from lunge to half split. This will help you ease into your hamstrings and your hips. Then hinge back forward, place your left hand down, heel toe your right foot out to the side, and use your right hand to open your right knee out. From here, let's take it to lizard as you place your hands down. Option to come onto your forearms. We'll be here just for a moment. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Come back onto your hands if you were on your forearms. Then carefully step your right foot to the back. Find a tabletop position. Deep breath in here. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lower your hips down for plank position. Option to lower your knees. Exhale, bend your elbows to your waist, then come all the way down. Inhale, press your chest up for an upward facing dog, bringing your gaze to the sky. Exhale, lower down. Bring your arms by your side. Inhale, lift your arms and legs up. squeezing all throughout your back side. Exhale, release your hands underneath your shoulders. Lift your hips up and back for child's pose. Beautiful job. Sway out your hips here side to side if that feels good. Let's take it straight to the other side. Inhale, shift forward onto all fours in tabletop position. Exhale, curl your toes under, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your left leg up to the sky. Exhale, bend your knee into your nose, step your foot between your hands. Release your back leg and knee and slowly press your chest up for a low lunge. Really press your feet into the earth as you open your chest up towards the sky. Feel a nice inner thigh engagement. Take one more breath in and exhale. Place your hands down, curl the back toes under, lift the knee. Bring your front knee over your ankle. Deep breath in, swing your arms up and over, high lunge. Take a couple breaths here. Keep your legs nice and strong, but relax through your shoulders. And one more breath in. Exhale, release your hands down and peel your left arm up towards the sky. Twisting through our spine here and broadening through our collarbones. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, circle that left arm to the back and all the way around. Release your back heel down, open throughout your left knee, and really reach that left arm towards the back. Take a deep breath in, and exhale, return your left hand down, release your right knee, then walk your hands to the back as you straighten your front leg for half split. Remember, you can ease into this by shifting forward and back, bending and extending your left leg, or staying in your half split and breathing deeply into your hamstrings. On your next breath, slowly hinge forward, bending the front knee, heel toe your left foot out to your side, and use your left hand to push your left knee out. One breath here. Then release your hands down in lizard or come on down onto your forearms. Do what's best for your body, knowing what you need this morning. Just one more deep breath in and deep breath out. Use your hands to press on back up. Step your left foot back. Inhale and table. Exhale for downward facing dog. Inhale, lower your hips for plank position. Exhale, bend your elbows down, chest low. Carefully release your body all the way down. Inhale, press your chest up, upward facing dog. Really open through your heart. Exhale, release your chest. Reach your arms forward. Inhale, lift your legs and arms up. 3 breaths here. Gather those legs together as much as you can, lifting through your navel to engage your core. Can you lift up a little higher? Exhale, release. Shift yourself up and back for a well-deserved child's pose. Sway your hips side to side if you need. And whenever you're ready, inhale, shift forward to table, and step your left and right foot on the outside of your hands. Lower your hips all the way down. Place your hands in prayer in front of your heart for a yogi squat. If you need a block or pillow underneath your hips, make sure to quickly grab one, safety first. Really practice pressing your inner and outer sides of your feet into the ground. Take deep breaths here in this grounding pose. Lift through your navel and grow tall through your spine. Steady your breaths here. Listen to the sound of your breath. Use your breath to help you stay present in your practice. Stay here. I'm going to turn around to help you see the front side. Take one more breath in. And exhale, extend your right arm in front of your right leg and left arm across, creating a diagonal line. Bring your gaze towards your left hand. Just one more round of breath. Inhale, return back through center. And exhale, extend your left arm across and right arm diagonally towards the sky. Try your best to ground through both feet equally and take deep breaths. As you open your arms wide, keep your gaze towards your right thumb and come back through center. From here, plant your hands down, step or hop to the back of your mat in plank position. Take your final vinyasa. Exhale, bend your elbows down. Inhale to press your chest up. Exhale, curl your toes under, shift back, downward facing dog. Take 3 steady breaths here in our final downward facing dog. Really pressing your hands and feet into the earth and extending your spine. Then carefully release your knees down and sit back in a child's pose. From here, slowly roll on up to a kneeling posture. Then come to the top of your mat, cross your feet behind you, sit down and bend your knees forward. Slowly roll on down onto your back. Then pick your knees up into your chest. Give yourself a tight squeeze, maybe swaying side to side. Feel a nice release throughout your hips, your lower back. Then take your left hand on the outside of your right leg. Drop your knees down to the left. Open your right arm out and look towards your right thumb. Take a very slow breath in and a very slow breath out. Carefully pick your knees back up through center. This time use your right hand to drop your knees over to the right and open your left arm out. Bring your gaze to your left thumb. Carefully return through center. Extend both legs up to the sky, legs through your feet. Hold on to the backs of your thighs. Take a couple breaths here in waterfall, holding your legs close to your chest. I'm using my hands to cover my eyes from the sun, but take circles with your ankles one way and the other way. Then carefully release your legs all the way down, and let's take a quick shavasana here, laying in complete stillness to reset your energy and neutralize the body. Bring your arms by your side, palms facing the sky, and relax from head to toe. Just 1 minute in complete stillness. Take a gentle breath in and a gentle breath out. Deep breath in. Extend your arms above your head. Take a full body good morning stretch and carefully press yourself up to a seated posture. Beautiful job, guys, this morning. This was a full body yoga flow. I hope you feel energized and ready to continue the rest of your day. Thank you all so much for joining me. Please share my video with anyone you think will also benefit from this practice. And I'll see y'all next time.